So, turns out there's a lot of news going on about Big Brother, and everybody's using the algorithms out there by Facebook Incorporated and Google, against us. Well, in my Ultimate Social Media Mastery Package, one of the modules is just on how to use the algorithms, on your behalf. I work for IBM, so I remember like yesterday how much money it would cost to get the level of intelligence in software programming installed on a computer. That computer today is your smartphone. That smartphone is a supercomputer that you hold in your hand. And what Google and Facebook Incorporated have done, they spent billions of dollars building these artificial intelligence algorithms so that they can keep up with us, know what we're doing and all that. Well, I've got a way where you can turn that around, that you can use that free multi-billion-dollar software investment to help you not only with mundane tasks, but extremely important tasks for both life and work, even while you sleep. So I'm going to teach you not only how to configure, initially train that artificial intelligence agent to work for you, but I'll also teach you how to continuously improve it and refine it to understand you and your life even better. Click on the Ultimate Social Media Mastery Package in blue there, and you'll see where you can buy a ticket. It starts on March 29th. That's the kickoff. It goes all the way until May 3rd, and it's only $299, and that gets you phone support as well. So it's the best package I've ever had.